How to find someone on Snapchat without username or phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you have added someone in your Snapchat and then removed it, but you want to add them again but you forgot their username or even their phone number, what you will have to do is you can download your information that is available on your Snapchat, or you can also try and go to your add friends section and see if you can find them. Go to all contacts and then see if they are available in that section. If not, tap on your profile icon, then go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to my data, and then here your available data for download will appear. Tap on next and simply submit it, and a data will be available for your download. All you have to do is download it and see all the friends that you have added in your past, and you will be able to locate them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.